Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to use type on a text tool in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your new document. Now you want to use the type on a text tool. You can use this. At first we select a ellipse tool, then draw a ellipse, then go to the move tool and select the move tool, then go to the type tool drop down menu and choose the type on a path tool or text tool. You can select this, then select the ellipse tool side, then write anything. Now I write something. Then write anything. Now I am write PDF tutorial. Then select the text and increase the font size. Now we can see we use the type on a path tool or text tool very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.